Good afternoon, my name is Charles Stewart. This is a video for the hidden fasteners inspection. The job is Kilcrease. The address is 7493 Southwest 65th Place Road in Ocala, Florida 34474. Permit number 2023-06-2760. This is the job site that we're working on. These are the walls and the roofs. Now I'm going to take you to look at all the hidden fasteners. These are the ends for the walls. No missing screws. There's the chair rails, end rails. All right. Chair rails all the way down, end rails. Now I'll take you over to the other side. Got the end rails. Oop, sorry about that. Chair rails, all the screws there. End rails. Chair rails. End rails. All right. Now we will start on the roofs. I'll take you in so you can see the insides. Here's the gussets. Gusset. There's the end piece there. All right. Purlin. Gusset, the other purlin, take you to the inside. Gussets, purlin, other gusset, and alrighty. And we got a few more roof sections. So we got purlin, gusset, purlin, at your end rails. Got all four in the purlin. Got your gusset. All four in the purlin. Got your gusset. Purlin, gusset. Almost done. All right, one more side and that's it. Alrighty, and that is the entire job. There's no more hidden fasteners. If you have any questions, please call me, 352-299-1856. Thank you. Have a great day.